to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. I don't know if I want to call it bread, because today we are making beignets. If you've never had a beignet, it's kind of a French, like donut. I want to call it French, but I'm not sure where it actually originated from. I will put that down below once I discover it. But these are really, really delicious, and I had a lot of them when I lived in France. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 4.5 cups or 550 grams of flour, 2.5 cups or 550 milliliters of warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 2/3 cup or 130 grams of sugar. Begin by adding the yeast and sugar to the warm water. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine flour and salt. Stir in water. Stir the dough together with a spoon. The dough will be quite sticky. Don't add more flour, this is correct. Allow to rise for about an hour. This particular recipe is for drop beignets, kind of beignets on easy mode. So in a pot or pan with oil, heat over high heat. Drop dough by the handful into the hot oil. Deep fry until the dough turns golden brown, turning once. Allow to drain on a paper towel. These drop beignets aren't much to look at, but they are gently sweet and absolutely delicious. Fresh, they are light and fluffy, and cooled, they are dense and bready. The friends who made them just like this for me were actually from the Congo, so I think this variation is more African. My kids loved these, by the way. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website on americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.